Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to explain you cathode ray tube or CRT. It's a most important or interesting topic in our computer graphics subject. So let's get started. So here is the introduction of CRT. CRT stands for cathode ray tube. It is widely used in computer monitors and television before LCD and LED screens. Works by using an electron beam to create images on phosphorescent screen. So here is the main question, that what is CRT? CRT is a vacuum tube that contains one or more electron guns and a fluorescent screen. The electron gun emits a beam of electrons that are deflected to create image. When the electron hit the screen, they cause it to glow and forming visible images. So let us discuss the construction of CRT and what are the main parts of cathode ray tube. So first is electron gun, produces a narrow beam of electrons. Second is control grid, controls the brightness of the image by adjusting the number of electrons that reach to the screen. Deflection system, it includes the vertical and horizontal deflection plates or coils which moves the electron beam to scan the screen. Fourth is fluorescent screen coated with a phosphor that glows when hit by the electrons. And vacuum tube, as the environment to throw electrons and for the movements of electrons. So here we use vacuum tube that produces a vacuum environment for electrons movement. Basically, when the electron gun emits electron, they pass through control grid and are accelerated towards the screen. The direction plates control the direction of the beam, moving it horizontally and vertically to cover the screen line by line. When the beam hits the phosphor coated screen, it lights up. By controlling the intensity of the beam, and different brightness level can be achieved, forming the picture. So let us discuss about the types of CRT displays. So there are mainly two kinds of CRT displays. So first is random scan display or vector display. So display draws the lines directly between specified points, and it is used in early computer graphic systems and oscilloscopes. And second is raster scan display. The beam scans the screen line by line, so every part of the screen is scanned, and it is used in televisions and modern monitors. So let us see the applications of CRT displays. So there are various types of applications of cathode ray tube. So first is computer monitors. So in early times, the display of computer monitors is used because there are no LEDs and LCDs, is having a CRT display. Second is television set we were using at the early times, so they also have CRT display. Radar is which detects the objects nearby, so that display also uses CRT. Oscilloscopes, which shows the wavelength or ampere or current, so that display is also created to the technique of CRT. Early computer graphics, so the graphics which is made in early times, so they also have CRT displays, or they have graphics. So early computers have also used the CRT displays. Now what are the advantages and disadvantages of CRT displays? So first is advantage. What are the advantages? So good color reproduction. CRT displays have good color reproduction and wide viewing angles and fast response time. So these are the advantages of CRT displays, and we have disadvantages of CRT displays also. So first is bulky and heavy. As we can see that CRT displays is very bulky and heavy because it has electron beam and fluorescent screen and other thing, vacuum tube. So they are used to be very heavy and bulky and high power consumption. So as it has most of the parts are electronic, so it has higher power consumption and screen flickering. So CRT displays has screen flickering problem. By this we can see a flickering screen on the display of the CRT, but it causes by the electron gun or phosphorus screen, which loses its phosphorus coating and start flickering. The conclusion, CRTs were the foundation of display technology for decades. They helped the advanced computer graphics and visualization. Through replaced by modern displays, CRTs give the insight to through replaced by modern monitor. Though replaced by modern displays, understanding CRTs gives insight to into display evolution. So basically, CRT is the foundation of the displays, and we can say it's a first display to be created